This is the JSF Hawk 4 Quadcopter / drone. It comes with a standard USB charging cable, a standard controller, and a microSD card to USB stick adapter, but I will say it's a complete nightmare to get the SD card out of the adapter. Now there is a camera which you have to attach yourself, but it's made clear how to do this in the instruction. There's also a micro SD card slot for you to record and take photos. There's also your standard drone battery, which makes the drone fly up in the air for 5 to 10 minutes. To start the drone, you do need to calibrate it, which means you need to flick one of the joysticks up and down, and then it's easier to fly. Now the controls are very simple. There's one to go, makes the drone go up and down, and there's the steering. One turns the lights on and off, the bottom one makes it come back to you, and then this one here makes the drone do tricks, and the top one makes the drone take photos and record. Where it says trimming, it's so when the drone is up in the air, you can correct it if it is leaning to one side. There are two controls at the top, which I don't actually know what they are. To charge the drone's battery, you simply just plug in the USB into a USB port on the laptop or in the plug. When the battery isn't charging, the light will go red. To charge the camera, you simply just need to plug it into the USB slot. This can be a struggle for the first time you do it. When it is plugged in, the red light will go off, and it will come back on when it is fully charged. Now to go out and test the drone, I decided to take it out into my garden where the lawn obviously needs to be mowed. And now let's have a look at some of the video footage. The footage doesn't look that good. In fact, it does look really cheap. The box does say it is 1080p. But I decided to make the image a lot smaller and it doesn't actually look that bad. Looking at the photos, you can see that they aren't that good either, but if you make them smaller, they do still look awful, to be fair. In summary, I do think this drone is not designed for filmmaking, definitely not. It's more designed for just flying around, but it is an enjoyable quadcopter / drone to fly, but I would recommend if you want to use it for filming to get a more higher end one. For example, the DJI Phantom drones, there are millions. Thanks for watching this video. If you liked it, give it a good thumbs up and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye!